we'll be seeing how much Monster Max in Roblox can pull. Just go ahead and spawn him, or it, whatever you want to, if we're calling it. Where is it? Okay, I gotta go to premium vehicles. Max. Okay, we are going to be doing this a very weird way. First, we're going to park it right here. We're going to take the biggest trucks that I own and place them here. And what I'm going to be doing is using the winch and attaching it to the back and just basically forming a conga line. There's one. See if it works. Go in. Get attention. And then I'm gonna spawn this, my other strong truck. Change my settings to computer, console, whatever. Computer works best. Now, for a test, this is 2 trucks. Easily. So now we're going to double it to 4 trucks. Truck does not have a winch, so let's add one. My customization never works. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to do the regular customization because my customization are. Oh, there it is. We're gonna go to attachments, and then we're gonna do click winch. I bought the Robux one. You don't have to do that if you want to try it. Put this one in the back. Attach it to the back of this truck. This one in. And then last truck we're going to be doing, if it ever loads, this truck. Okay. Put it over here so it's not too close where it doesn't work. That still works, it doesn't matter. Okay, let me go to Monster Max. See if it will pull. Oh. So now that we know it cannot pull 4, we're gonna delete the fourth truck and see if we can pull 3. Okay, struggling a little bit with 3. Let me get up back so it picks up speed. Okay, kind of just 3 with some struggle. So I think the limit for this truck is definitely 3. Okay, that will be it for today's video. Like and sub, please. And thank you. Goodbye.